All right, folks, Wednesday morning, midpoint of the week, we're getting news in this morning that Pfizer and BioNTech from last Monday, you remember 2 weeks ago, they had reported positive results with their vaccine. You'll remember that the markets just exploded to the upside, about 1,500 points in the Dow in the intraday trading. Now this morning, they come out and they said that the final results are showing that their vaccine or their shot has an efficacy rate of 95%. So they're hoping to move forward with the FDA and final approval here in the coming days. Now, heading into the open markets on this news, fairly muted. We are seeing the markets trade higher, albeit slightly. Dow Jones up 150 or so, S&P's up, NASDAQ up. Where we are seeing moves this morning is in the oil market. WTI up 2%. Trading north of $42 a barrel. Had an OPEC Plus meeting yesterday. Not much came out of it. A bigger OPEC meeting at the end of the month, but the hope is, at least with the oil market, that these OPEC nations start to scale back their production with this lack of demand, and thus we see oil prices rise. Looking over at FX, dollar yen of particular note today, we've broken below that 104 level, now trading with a 103 handle. So interesting moves there, seeing strength in that yen, strength in the euro, and strength in the pound. All right, folks, let's go out there today. Let's get after it. I'll check in with you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.